Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. And Ruhi News Learn Language or Jabzdakra program, Learn Pashto through English section. I am teaching today how to make short Pashto sentences. Three things are important to make short sentences in Pashto. Which are these three things? Subject pronouns, to-be verbs, and complement. I have prepared one video about subject pronouns in Pashto. If you haven't watched and this suggested link, you can that video. And also our second video was about to-be verbs in Pashto. In today's video, I am teaching a few Pashto words with English transliteration that you can use them in the complement of sentence. So let's start with a few Pashto words. Painter. It means in Pashto anzurgar. Student. Zdakaunkai. Teacher. Khunkai. Driver. Motor chalaunkai. Woman. Merman ya khaza. Man. Sarai. You can use these Pashto words at the end of the sentences, then you will be able to make short Pashto sentences. And also remember one other important point, it is about article. You know there are two indefinite articles in English. A, an. Both of them mean in English one. In Pashto, these two articles means yaw. As in English, if we have plural subject pronoun, then we do not use these articles. But if the sentence starts with a singular subject pronoun, we use the article. Similar in Pashto, with singular subject pronouns, articles are used. But with plural subject pronouns, we do not use the articles. With the three components, subject pronouns, to-be verbs, and complement, we can make short Pashto sentences. Look at these examples. I am a painter. In Pashto, za yaw anzurgariyam. Here, as a subject pronoun, in Pashto, it is equal to I. Yam is a to-be verb equal to am in English. Yaw, it is article a. And painter, in Pashto it means anzurgar. I am a painter, zayaw anzurgaria. You are a student, the singular form. Tase yaw zdakaunkai. You are students without articles. Tase zdakaunki yast. We are teachers. Mug khunkiyo. They are drivers. Doi motor chalaunki di. And for he and she's a woman. Da yava mirmanda. He's a man. Dai yaw sarai dai. Great. If you want to make short Pashto sentences, repeatedly, I want to mention, you will use Pashto subject pronoun at the beginning of the sentence. After that, the related to-be verb. If the subject pronouns are singular, we put article in Pashto the word yaw. But if the subject pronouns are plural, then we do not use articles or the Pashto word yau. And at the end, we can use either nouns or adjectives. There are many Pashto adjectives and nouns that you can use at the end with the part of complement. At the end, to have our video on time, I am requesting you to subscribe to his YouTube channel. It is Ruhi Live. Like our Facebook page, it is Ruhi News. And you also can browse us on Google. Our website address is www.ruhi.af.